Hey everybody, I wanted to show you some of my bags, my creative bags when I was at 12 Oaks Mall in the artist space. And so now, as you know, that I am creating my fall collection, here I am setting it up. I do have a full tutorial on my YouTube channel, Angie B Style. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can go over there and see how I create my fabrics, what I use. I give tips and tricks on certain things that you can do to create your own custom fabrics, and you'll see me making them, painting it, cutting it, and I use my own custom templates. So yeah, and I talk a little bit about the creative makerspace and things that's getting ready to happen. All right, y'all, guess what? I'll see you in a minute. So go on over to the YouTube so you can see what I'm doing. And don't forget to sign up at the AngeliqueCollections.com website. I finally got it up. You'll hear about that too over there.